plant-based keto haul coming up next from Food Lion. Hi friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. Super pumped to show you my plant-based keto. Part one of several parts coming up here. I've got several different items to show you from my keto grocery haul and my plant-based grocery haul. The first thing I'm really excited about was the freshness from Food Lion, and a special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's video. Down in the link below, you can use it to do your grocery pickup and food delivery from Food Lion, who is the plant-based source and also the keeper of freshness. They have fresh food guaranteed, particularly with my produce. I'm gonna show you all that. So let's dive in. The first thing that I got for keto, but also plant-based, is with the organic almond plant-based beverage. They have several different kinds of almond milk. I always defer on keto to unsweetened, just to make sure that there's no, creepy carbs or anything like that in there. This one is, of course, 1 net carb for a full cup, or 2 full carbs for each cup. Love it. And then this one is organic. There are other plant-based almond unsweetened milk ones, and I use these for my low carb smoothies. Go check out that video of where I show you how to make my low carb smoothie from Food Lion. It's really, really simple. Next I did get was the Bob's Red Mill hemp seed hearts. These are awesome. If you have not used hemp seed hearts for like keto salads and low carb, and I'll put them on top of like low carb soups, or mainly my keto salads. I love these because of the texture. It's literally whole hemp seeds, which is 3 tablespoons is 0 net carbs or 3 carbs, depending on how you count. Super, super healthy, but the texture on them is amazing. I highly, highly recommend. And this bag, by the way, is gonna last 10 million years. It's not gonna last 10 million years, but it lasts a hot second. I also got, because of the freshness, a cantaloupe. I do like getting cantaloupes, and I love, it is the best price point for organic spinach is with the Nature's Promise Organic. That's actually Food Lion's generic brand for it, but great price point. It's not gonna expire for quite some time. It's baby spinach, which I love, because literally for baby spinach, it's, let's see here, I think it's 2 cups is 1 net carb. In. So this is a great way to get volume if you're trying to do more chewing on the plant-based diet and with the ketogenic diet. It's a great way also to get potassium in here, more potassium in spinach than there is in a banana. Fun fact for you out there. Next, because this is a plant-based diet video, I tried the ultimate plant-based burger. I wanted to see, okay, what is this? Y'all know I'm keto, so usually I'm having different types of burgers, but this is a frozen one that is the plant-based burger, 19 grams of protein in it. It's freezer, which I like. No soy ingredients, no dairy ingredients. 2 patties per pack is 19 grams of protein, and it's literally 1 burger patty is 7 net carbs or 8 carbs. So this would be a low carb plant-based item, not keto, because of the ingredients in it. And this was the cleanest one that I could find in terms of, plant-based diet things. The things that I'm always looking for on the ketogenic diet for plant-based is, does it have canola oil, which can be inflammatory in it? And so I am not seeing that in here. And again, my goal on my keto 70-pound weight loss journey is progress, not perfection. And if I can have this, what is the better choice? Sometimes there's the best choice. And here's what, I'm not the person who's gonna make always the best choice. If that's what you're looking for, I'm just not that. I'm going to do the better choice. And so for me, I wanted to try this, try something different, see how it goes. And I'm excited. I'm excited to try something as another option and just to deviate some of my keto foods. I did end up getting a can of their diced organic tomatoes. That is a low carb item, not a keto item, necessarily, because tomatoes are higher in carb count. This one is the coconut oil, so plant-based fats on keto. I got asked in another video, well, what do you have for fats? Great. Then I'm gonna have my organic coconut oil. I can saute, for plant-based, I can saute my vegetables in this to really crank up the fat grams, which are gonna make me full, right? This is gonna make me more full. It is 0 carbs, of course, with coconut oil. You can put it in your coffee to have more fat within your coffee to get full. I did end up ordering, not keto, but is low carb, is creamy peanut butter from Nature's Promise. This one had in the ingredients, and the reason why I'm recommending it is literally, it's just plants. It's literally just peanuts and salt. That is it. And the way that the separation is on it, I'm very excited. Yay, Food Lion. This is, again, their generic one that they have. No palm oil and no hydrogenated oils in it. Now, peanuts are technically a legume, which are technically not keto, but peanut butter is so filling to me because it has in it 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. So 1 tablespoon, 4 grams of protein, and then 8 grams of fat. And I love the ingredients in it. We also got from Food Lion, because they do have plant-based cleaning products, I did end up getting the Nature's Promise cleaning wipes. I needed some more cleaning wipes, so I did end up getting those. And what else did I get? Oh, I got a ton of organic vegetables as well. You guys know I love me my organic green cabbage. I do this for volume and very, very low net carbs. You can cook that in the coconut oil. You can cook it in other high source of fat. I did get some organic cucumbers. We love those for keto snacks to dip in ranch. What else did I get in here? Oh, I did. You guys know I get it every single time I queso dip. It's the plant-based diet queso, which has the cleanest ingredients in it. I'm so stinking excited. I talked about that. Go check out I'll put it in the description link below, the other video where I heavily talk about this plant-based keto, the queso. You're gonna be obsessed like I am. They have buffalo dip, by the way, and tzatziki sauce, which I also love. Okay, so I did get a ton of their plant-based yogurts. I wanted to see what these looked like. Like this one, for example, is made out of almond milk. It's by Silk. I was curious to see, it has 17 net carbs for this whole container. No dairy, no gluten, no soy, no carcinogens. I'm saying that wrong. Carrageenan. You guys know that word, Carrageenan in it. The ingredients are almond milk, cane sugar, cocoa. It's cocoa, pectin, calcium citrate. So I wanted to see, and fat grams, 11 grams of fat. So I wanted to see what's going on. My little boy doesn't eat keto, but eats more low carb, so I was curious on that. And then I got the plant-based diet yogurt. It's made out of coconut milk. So this one was also very interesting to me because the number one ingredient in this one was the almond milk for the yogurt. So if you're in the dairy aisle, they have really cool plant-based items. The organic coconut milk, and this one is number 1 ingredient, and then number 2 ingredient is organic cane sugar. Again, cane sugar in both of those, but not dairy-based, which again, whole milk is not keto. So having something else, I would love to see these not have so much sugar in them, because to me, sugar begets sugar. If I have a little bit of sugar, I will want more sugar. So these, I may have like a taste. I won't have the whole thing, just because in terms of carbs, this is 24 carbs for the container, 22 net carbs. So that's somebody who's a low carb diet, not like keto is 20 net carbs or less. So let's go over, okay, that was the same thing. That's the dark chocolate. And then we do have, like I said, I got several different other yogurts. This one is the toasted, this one is, you see my tongue? She's like, hey lady. Don't ignore the man behind the curtain. This one has 12 grams of protein in it. This one is non-fat yogurt of non-fat yogurt was what it's made out of. So I wanted to try some of the non-dairy options, the plant-based options. And then that's the same thing I already showed you. This is the strawberry version of the coconut milk. They're the raspberry version of the coconut milk. So my test this week is that I'm going to give my 5-year-old the coconut milk and the almond milk and see if he noticed. So you'll have to stay tuned for the next episode to come back to see, did he notice? Because he is not keto, he's low carb. Did he notice? We'll see. So that was my haul for this plant-based diet. I will also let you know on the next episode what happens with the ultimate plant-based burger. Would you like the next episode be of like what I'm eating with these? Like me actually cooking them and showing you guys me eating them? Put in the comments. That's your question of the day. I'm super, super curious. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe. And also your question of the day is, tell me, do you guys want to see the next video being of me doing like meal prep with this, like our reactions to trying all these different things? You guys know I have a mama clause. I'm gonna tell you like I tell my mom, so I'm gonna keep it completely honest. So let me know, and I can't wait to see you guys again next time. Special thank you to Food Lion. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and make it a powerful day. And go check out Food Lion to get your grocery pickup and grocery delivery.